Hello friends, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep. Guys, in this session, I'll be telling you the important topics and also the not important topics that you should be knowing in the last 1 month of GATE preparation. Guys, what is my motive of taking this session? That sometimes in the last 30 days, it is difficult to go for a complete subject, and suppose your 5 to 6 subjects are still left. Guys, you should be doing revision, formula revision, complete mock test, but parallelly you can go for few topics, not the complete subject because the time is not that much. Those few topics should be selected or should not be selected on the basis of this session, on the basis of this data. Guys, but one thing more, you should be knowing that for understanding that particular topic, if any other prior concept has to be known or not. If it is not known, for understanding that topic, no other concept is required, it's fine. If a concept is required that you all know, then also it is fine. Okay, so not the complete subject in last 30 days, but these few topics, if not done, can be done. And if everything is done, if all the subjects are done, then these 20 important topics can be more revised and more practice can be done on them. Okay, so guys, let me quickly go in this. Let me tell you guys, my name is Abhinav Negi. Those who are seeing me, my experience is 12 plus years, guys. Every year on 1st of Jan I update this time I forgot it, so now I've updated this. Okay, I have done my MTech from IIT Delhi, got All India rank 164 in 2012. You have to score better rank than this, and these are my subjects. You can also join me in my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir, guys. The link I have provided on the chat section. And guys, from 9th of January, we are coming with the complete marathon of all subjects, so that in the last few days, your preparation can be boosted up. This is the schedule, guys. On that is, I guess, mistake. Na? This is from 9th. Okay, this is from 9th, then 10th and 11th. Okay, so from 9th it is starting. Okay, so this will be 9th of January. Me and Dheeraj sir will be coming with the complete strength of material. Guys, if you want to enroll in BYJU'S exam prep, then guys, on 7th of January, there is a scholarship test where you can get 90%, 80%, 70% discount on the basis of what you have done on that scholarship test. That is free of cost scholarship test on app. And guys, this time, a wonderful workshop on GATE 2025 with very new initiatives. First, 50,000 scholarship will be awarded for the students who will be watching this workshop. This workshop will be on Wednesday, 10th of Jan, Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. It will be on app. Guys, limited seats are left. Please do register for this workshop. Everywhere in the Telegram, in the description box, you will be finding the link. 50,000 rupees scholarship will be awarded this. Okay, this is occurring first time in last 2 years that in a workshop 50,000 scholarship you will be getting. Plus, a gift voucher of worth rupees 5,000 rupees, Amazon voucher, will be given to 3 students who will be watching the workshop. Okay, 50,000 scholarship and 5,000 gift voucher of Amazon will be awarded to 3 students. Wednesday, 10th of January, 7:30 p.m. And guys, in the description box of this video, there is a link. You can click that link and download our BYJU'S exam prep app, where we will be getting the practice set, quizzes, mock test, full length mock test and all. Okay, now let us start, guys. Good evening, good evening. Okay, at the end I'll be taking the doubt as well. Okay, in the end I will be taking your doubts. Okay guys, okay. सारे subject नहीं किए तो whatever you have done, guys, this is not the time of going for the covering of syllabus. This is the time, whatever you have covered, उसमें से आपको maximum लाना है. If you have covered 70 marks, then you should be optimizing your marks out of 70 marks. If you have covered 60 marks, you should be optimizing your marks out of 60 marks. Okay. Now guys, suppose first of all, the civil engineering subjects can be divided into 4 parts. One is heavy subject, means big syllabus and weightage is also big. One is a subject out of the 85 marks, out of the 85 marks, guys, total 85 marks is technical plus mathematics and 15 marks is aptitude. So I'm talking of, right now, I'm talking of this 85 marks apart from aptitude. Okay. Now guys, 60 marks out of this 85 marks is of heavy subject, big weightage syllabus and syllabus is also big. Okay, then heavy subject means syllabus is big but the marks are very less of those subjects. Those are only 11 marks. Light subjects, syllabus is also less, weightage is also less. that is 4 marks. And light subject, syllabus is less of those subjects but weightage is high, so that are 10 marks. 61, 71, 75 and 85. Guys, in any case, if you have missed any of the topics from this, okay, in any case, if you have missed any of the topics from this part, then that can be done, guys. And this heavy subject but light marks should not be done in last 30 days if you have not done till now. Now, heavy subject and heavy marks are fluid, environment, geotech, transportation, mathematics and so on. Heavy subjects but marks are less are RCC, structure, steel, BMC, having a huge syllabus, but comparatively in GATE exam the weightage is less. Of these subjects in engineering services, weightage is quite high. But in GATE, syllabus of these subjects is high but weightage is less. Light subject, less weightage, less syllabus are hydrology, irrigation, engineering mechanics, and also you can see PERT CPM also there. PERT CPM should be there. Okay. And light subject but heavy marks are OCF and survey. That has to be done, guys. If you have not done till now, you can cover them. These subjects can be done in 3 days. Okay, in 3 days you can do this. And what topics has to be done, that I am telling you. First, I am coming to the strength of material, guys. Keep sharing, guys. Keep sharing the session so that everyone can get it. At the end, I'll be taking your doubts as well. Okay, the first subject is strength of material. It will be coming of 5 to 6 marks. But knowledge of SOM is very important because this is the basic subject for understanding structural analysis, RCC, steel, and few parts of soil and highway also. Okay, so this is the basic subject, has to be done before going for RCC, structural analysis, steel, and shear strength chapter of geotech, and stresses on pavement of highway engineering. Important topics are stress in bending stress, transformation of slope, stresses and slope and deflection. If not done, guys, or if done, revise these topics more or do more practice on this, learn the formulas. Even let me tell you, from last 3 years in every set, because civil engineering is happening in 2 sets from last 3 years. In every set, the question is coming from transformation of stress, either from Mohr circle or from analytical method. In every set, last 3 years, in every set, that means 6 times the question is asked from this. Sometimes in a single set, guys, the 2 times question are asking. So please revise these formulas if you have not done till now. Not important means the frequency of those topics are less in the GATE exam are column, shear center, pressure vessel, and Mohr circle for strain. Mohr circle for stress is important, guys, but Mohr circle for strain is not that important. And let me tell you, pressure vessels is, although it is not important topic, but in last 2-3 years, couple of times the question has been asked from this also. And the book is Gareth Imshonke and BC Punamia. Now, guys, for structural analysis, heavy subject lies. If you have not done this subject, this will be coming off around 2 to 4 marks. If you have not done this subject till now, guys, I recommend you not to touch this subject. Okay, it is a huge syllabus, but comparatively less weightage. Important, if you want to do also, then do only these topics. Interdisciplinary ILD, even you can leave trust also. Interdisciplinary ILD, किसी दोस्त को बुलाओ, कोई वीडियो देखो, 5 घंटे में समझ लो. उसके अलावा अगर नहीं पढ़ा है तो और कुछ पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, and this is not important topic. Although slope deflection is very important for engineering services, especially subjective exam, but for a GATE exam it is not that important. Okay, now book are Ramamurthan and R.C. Hibbeler are the best books for understanding the concepts and the numerical of structural analysis. Now, guys, next is RCC. Again, a very huge syllabus, but comparatively weightage is not that high. Syllabus is high. In beam design, shear reinforcement, pre-stress, 90% chances that question is asked from RCC, that will be from here. Beam design means that thing. First, calculate the actual depth of neutral axis, then the critical depth of neutral axis, then, guys, moment of resistance. Okay, shear reinforcement, that vertical stress, bent up beams, inclined bars, bent up bars, pre-stress concrete, the question can be asked. Slabs, torsion, column, footing, rarely a question will be asked from these topics. Okay, and Pillai Menon you can recommend. Now for steel structure, guys, even if you have not done this till now, only go for the plastic analysis, nothing else. If you have not touched steel analysis, only do this topic, and that can be done in 5 to 6 hours. Connection, and these are the not important topics for the GATE examination. Book is S.K. Duggal. Before coming to soil mechanics, which is of highest weightage in the GATE exam, that will be coming around 14 to 16 marks. Let me tell you, out of this 14 to 16 marks, 11 to 13 marks will be from soil mechanics, and 3 to 5 marks is coming from foundation engineering, that is shallow and deep foundation. Okay, and fluid mechanics, guys, if it is coming of 6 to 7 marks. For mechanical, fluid mechanics is coming of, guys, 11-12 marks, but for civil engineering it is around 6 to 8 marks, of which 4 to 5 marks will be here and 3 to 4 marks here. So, guys, even with the very less syllabus of OCF, it is coming of high weightage. Syllabus of fluid mechanics is 6 times more than OCF, but weightage is almost same. So, if you see weightage per unit syllabus, weightage per unit syllabus, then OCF is quite high scoring. Okay. Now guys, fluid mechanics important topics are written here. Okay, you can do these topics, and not important topic, fluid dynamics, beer notches, Hardy cross method, turbulent flow. For guys, soil mechanics, phase diagram, consolidation, seepage, effective stress, shear strength, Terzaghi and bearing capacity, 90% chances that questions will be asked from these topics. And the topics like clay mineralogy, topics like compaction, topics like soil exploration, okay, topics like vertical stress below soil, although one time the question has been asked in past 2-3 years, but those are not that important. Okay, vertical stress, slope stability, compaction and soil exploration also not that important. Book is Gopal Ranjan Rao. Now before coming to transportation and survey, let me tell you, the weightage of transportation is quite high guys, 8 to 9 marks. Earlier in my time in 2012, the weightage of transportation is only 4 to 5 marks, but now the weightage has been increased. But out of that guys, 90%, 95% questions will be coming from highway. Railway might be no question asked, or one question of 1 marks. Airport also same, either no question or a question of 1 marks. For surveying guys, it is very high scoring. And if I say a factor called alpha, that is weightage of a syllabus with respect to syllabus, then alpha of survey and OCF are higher than even soil mechanics and environmental engineering. Weightage per unit syllabus, because soil mechanics and environment, if weightage is high, then this syllabus is also high. Okay, for surveying guys, let me tell you, leveling, compass and traversing, these 3 chapters, 99% questions will be coming from these 3 chapters. And other chapters, chain surveying is not that important, forget. Chain surveying, plane table surveying, GPS GIS remote sensing, theory of errors, question may be asked of either 0 to 5%. 90% questions will be asked from this. From other topics, only 5 to 10% questions. Of these 2 subjects, highway and survey, the important topics of highway are side distance, superelevation, Webster method, capacity of highway, particularly green shield model, Qmax is equal to VF into KJ by 4. And not important topics are setback distance, have not been asked from many years now. Length of vertical curve is not as important as superelevation and side distance in geometric design, and the pavement design, that Burmester, California method and all. Iska to granth hai ye. It's not a book, it is a granth of highway engineering. For surveying guys, 90% questions will be asked from this. Okay, this is coming of around 9 marks, compass surveys around 4 to 6 marks. 90% questions will be asked from these 3 topics, compass, leveling and traversing. 10% questions from remaining topics guys. Okay, book is BC Punamia. Now engineering hydrology guys, in GATE, questions will be asked from hydrograph, infiltration, risk reliability, 90% from these topics. And factors affecting evaporation, precipitation, measurement of precipitation, missing data, Thiessen polygon, 5% or 10% questions will be asked. 90% questions in GATE is asked from this. Yes, precipitation and evaporation questions are asked in engineering service prelims, but GATE it is less chances. Okay, so hydrology guys, the infiltration, phi index, W index and also Horton's method. Hydrograph reliability is important. Precipitation, evaporation, groundwater hydrology is not that important. It is around 3 to 4 marks. Okay, irrigation engineering 2 to 4 marks. The important topics are water requirement of crops, gravity dam, delta, that delta is equal to 8.64 B by D. Here that wilting point formula, those are important. And irrigation techniques and failure of hydraulic structure, spillway, cross drainage and all are not that important. Okay, guys, are you coming from 9th for the marathon? And guys, we are coming with the calculator series also. Me and Dheeraj sir are coming with 5 episodes of 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 5 episodes we'll be making for learning the complete virtual calculator. On YouTube, we'll be putting that. Okay, 5 videos of 10 minutes. And from 9th of January, the complete marathons are starting. And guys, on 10th, there is a workshop, special workshop this time. I will be taking that on app, 7:30 PM. Please do register. 50,000 rupees scholarship on that workshop, and 5,000 rupees Amazon gift voucher will be awarded to 3 students. Wednesday, 10th of June, at 10th of June, I'm saying January at 7:30 PM. Now guys, environmental engineering, again a high weightage subject, around 11 to 13 marks. Important topics for environment are raw water treatment, characteristics of wastewater, sewer system and filtration, and not water. Solid waste management also this time there you can take in mediocre level, not important. Okay, air pollution is not important, but solid waste management you can take in mediocre level. Let me tell you guys, ASP and that e की power minus KT wala formula, non-carbonate hardness, carbonate hardness, total hardness, overflow rate, okay, overflow rate, from these numericals are expected from this. ASP, e की power BOD wala, e की power minus KT, non-carbonate hardness, carbonate hardness, total hardness and overflow rate. From these topics or filtration topic questions are expected guys. Okay, Bokir, SK Garg and PB Row. Now this I already told you guys what are the heavy subjects in this. Okay, so guys, any doubt now? I am available for your doubts, guys. You can ask me. Surendra Babu, I am waiting for the marathon. Yes guys, it will be from 9th of January. We are starting with the marathons, guys. Please stay tuned, everyone. Okay, yes. Any more doubts, guys? I'm waiting for your doubts, guys. Everyone, you can ask me if you want. Okay, so guys, this is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. In the night, because I have class from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. in the night, I'll be putting that PDF of this session. I'll be putting in the night. Okay, so marathon is starting from 9th of January, guys. From 9th of January, Som is there. Okay, this is 9th. Sorry, this is 9th, then 10th, then 11th, then 12th. Okay, this is a complete schedule of marathon for civil engineers. Okay, this is 9th January. In the description box of this video, guys, you'll Abhinav Negi, there will be a link. You can download it. This is BYJU'S exam prep app will be installed. Scholarship test, as I already told you, is on 7th of January. This will be on app, free of cost. You can give this test and get up to 90%, 80%, 70% discount on the basis of your score in that test. And guys, this time a special workshop, guys. How to ace GATE 2025 in first attempt. This will be Wednesday. Don't forget this date. 10th of January, Wednesday, 7:30 p.m. 50,000 rupees scholarship will be awarded on this, and 5,000 rupees Amazon gift voucher will be awarded to 3 students. Don't miss this workshop on Wednesday, that is 10th of June at 7:30 p.m. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed this session, guys. Vision courses are available in our courses. You can enroll them if you want. Crash course also, and 2025-26 full course are also available. Thank you, guys. Stay tuned. Thank you all. Yes. सरफरोज, यस सर 40 मिनट्स आ रहे हैं मॉक में. अपने चीज़ों को रिवाइज करो. जो इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स जो मैंने लिखा है, वट इसमें से कुछ छूटे इनको कर लो, और अपने थोड़ा सा रेंज भी बढ़ाओ. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ मॉक टेस्ट और रिवीजन ही देना है. इन टॉपिक्स को पढ़कर अपना रेंज भी बढ़ा सकते हो और 60 मार्क्स का ट्राई कीजिए. ओके सरफरोज, थैंक यू guys. Take care all. We share this video with all the civil engineering students so they can be benefited. Thank you.